sa ating date. Okay, so yan, medyo basic lang po tayo muna. Okay, so meron lang po tayong formula about date. Yan. Tingnan natin kung yan. So date equals date. Okay, so pag magpo-formulate tayo, ang pinaka key lang po dyan is ayan. So when you press equal sign and then date, ang gagawin nyo lang po is yung i-press yung tab nyo. Ayan. And then, we're gonna see kung ano po yung syntax na meron dun sa function na yon. Let's say, yung date natin, ang syntax po niya, ang mga syntax na gagamitin po niya is, ayan, kailangan natin ng year, ng month, and day. So, kung mapapansin nyo dun sa year, medyo naka-bold po siya, which means na ito po yung current syntax na kailangan nating i-supply para ma-apply natin yung date na function. Okay? So, which means na hinahanap po niya year. Alright? Ito po siya, year. And then, comma. So, mapapansin nyo, nag-move siya dun sa month. Nag-bold na po yung month. Month. And then, day. Here. Right? Enter. So, kung napansin nyo, pagdating sa dulo, di na po ako naglagay ng parenthesis kasi pagka in-enter nyo po siya, ayan, okay na po yan, mag-apply na po yan. So again, kung aware po kayo dun sa keyboard shortcut natin, i-apply lang natin, Control D. So ito yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo na sa first lang po kayo lagi maglalagay ng formula. So, using yung relative, yung mix and absolute self-reference, magagawa po natin yan. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Okay. Ito, yung madaling way para i-enter po natin yung current date natin and time using formula equals now and today. So, I'll show you kung ano po yung ginagawa ni equals now. Alright, equals now, and then open and close parentheses. And then when you press enter, alright, anong ginawa po niya? Kinuha po niya yung current system time po natin. Ito, kung mapapansin niyo sa computer ko, we are, today is October 17, 9:44 a.m. Okay? So, sa Philippines, siguro ang gamit nyo po dyan is around nasa 2:44 p.m. na po ngayon. Pero since nasa Qatar po ako and yung aking computer naka-set po sa Qatar time, then na-capture niya po yung system time and date. So, equals now, ang ginagawa lang po niyan is i-call po natin yung system date and time. Alright? So, mamaya mag-update yan. Every time na magkaroon tayo ng konting changes sa ating worksheet or workbook, mag-apply po siya kasi it's formula. Okay? So, let's try equals today. Ayan. Equals to the. Today. Parang may accent lang. To the. Alright, today. Ayan. When you press enter, kung mapapansin nyo, ayan. Kinol niya po yung date today. October 17, 2020. So, kung mapapansin nyo yung equals now natin, nag-update siya kasi kanina 9:44 siya. So, let's say for example, itong file nyo ginamit nyo tomorrow, of course, dahil naka-formula tayo, equals now, then i-call niya po yung ating system date. Okay. So, guys, ito yung medyo madalas na tanong sa atin. So, what if kung gusto natin i-calculate naman po yung date difference? Okay? So, meron tayong mga different ways to calculate po yung ating date difference. Okay? So, yung pinaka-old school po dyan, itong ating equals dated if. Okay? So, dated if, yan, kung mapapansin nyo, let's say, i-type natin equals dated if. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo, parang wala siya dun sa selection, di ba? Usually, pag naglagay tayo ng ibang formula, so let's say equals date, pag nag-tab ka, ayan, lalabas na agad yan. Pero itong dated if, wala siya. Right? I'm not sure kung bakit ganun, pero matagal na kasing formula to. Maybe because ginagamit na ngayon is yung network days. Mamaya pag-aaralan po natin yan. Okay? So, i-follow na lang po natin. Ito po yung syntax niya. Equals dated if, yung first date, second date, and then yung interval na gusto mong ma-capture. So, let's say sa una natin example, ayan, meron tayong first date, and then second date, and then yung gusto nating makuha is yung days niya. Total number of days niya. Okay? So, you need to be aware na meron siyang fina-follow na a specific syntax. So, ito po siya, first date, second date, and then interval. So, pagdating sa interval, ito po yung gagamitin natin. Let's say, meron tayong D, M, for month, Y, for year, YD, year days, year months, and D. Okay, so, try po natin yung D. So, since we are looking for yung difference niya, day difference niya. Okay, so, equals dated if, first date, comma, second date, comma, and then, D. So, dapat naka-enclose po siya sa double quote, right? And then enter. Ayan. So mapapansin natin na from January 1, 2019 to January 1, 2020, meron tayong total of 365 days. Okay? So again, gusto natin makuha months naman. Ayan, equals dated if, in parentheses, first date, second date, and then yung mangopya tayo dito, month. Yan. So, meaning to say, from January 1, 2019 to January 1, 2020, meron tayong 12 months difference. Diba? This time, kukunin po natin yung years. Okay. Again, equals dated if, parentheses, first date, comma, second date, comma, and then, Y. Yan, kasi kinukuha natin is yung year, and then press enter. Yan, kuha natin 10 years. Yan siya. 10 years, 10 years. Okay. So, ito naman po yung year days natin. Okay, so gusto nating ma-capture yung difference niya between etong January 1, 2019 to February 2020. Try lang po natin yung YD and i-analyze natin kung ano yung magiging result niya later. Equals dated if, in parentheses, first date, second date, and then YD. Enter. So, nakuha natin is 31 days. So, anong ginawa niya? That's the big question, di ba? Okay? So, kung mapapansin natin sa ating date niya, okay, so meron tayong 2019 and then yung isa 2020. Kung titingnan mo, more than a year po siya. Right? Pero ang ginawa niya itong year days niya, tinry niya i-disregard yung year niya. And then, kinuha lang po niya yung date difference na itong dalawa. Itong January 1 to February 1. So, wala na po yung 19 natin and 20 dito. From January 1 to February 1, kinuha niya po yung 31 days. Yan po yung YD, yung year days po natin. Again, kung kakapture naman po natin year months, dated if, yan, comma, year, and then YM, ayan, this time naman, in-ignore pa rin po niya yung year natin. So, alam natin, 2019 to 2020, ayan, medyo halos ilang months yun, parang 12 plus 11, so mga 23, yan. Tama ba? Yan. So, ang nangyari po sa kanya is in-ignore niya yung 2019 and 2020. So, ang kinuha lang po niya is yung January to November. That's 10 months. So, again, equals dated if, and dated if, C41, comma, second date, and then monthly. Yan. So, Mondays naman, okay. Dated if. Dated if, comma, then MD, and 2. So, this time, in-ignore niya po yung month niya. Just yung day lang po niya. Yung 1 and then yung 3. Ayan, nakuha natin. Okay, so, I'm not sure kung medyo magagamit niyo po siya. Pero, just for your information, meron tayong formula na equals dated if. Okay, so let's try to do some age calculation here. So, let's say for example, yan, gusto nating makuha kung, ayan, meron po tayong birthday here, birth date. Ayan, gusto nating makuha kung ilang years na ba siya, ilang years na po siyang nabubuhay. Okay? So, nakita natin dito, yan, so, tingnan natin yun. Yan. So, nakikita natin dito, yan, meron tayong years. Yan, gamitin natin siya. Okay, so, equals, okay, ang date natin is, dated if, year, and then, so, current time, ano ba gagamitin natin? Date. So, remember na meron tayong napag-aralan earlier about today. So, we're gonna use that formula. Okay, today, and then years. Right? So, try natin, ha? Ayan. So, which means na 38 years na itong si December 27, 1981. Okay? So, next is that we're gonna look for the number of months na nagano siya. So, sabi dito sa ating cheat sheet, ayan, meron tayong year months. Ang gusto natin makuha, ignoring po yung year niya, kukunin lang po natin yung year months niya. Okay, so again, equals dated if, okay, year, and then again, today, and then year month. Okay? Dated if, okay. Yan. So, 9 months. So, meron, ibig sabihin, 38 years and 9 months na po. And then, days, dated if, open parentheses, yan, comma, day, and then, month name. Diba? Days, and then 20. So now, kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron tayong reveal. Let's try to reveal that one. Ayan, para may guide po. Just palitan nyo lang po yung dot. Okay, so again, another way of calculating the age. Again, sa isang full year, di ba, alam natin na 365 days and 1/4, 365 1/4 days. So, try natin po. Equals, ano bang yan natin dito? So, equals today minus so divided by 365.25. Ayan, makakalculate na natin yung age po niya. Alright, so 38.81. Let's try to reveal this one. So, ayan, nagmamatch naman po. Okay, so are we good to go sa date? Wala pong question. Pretty basic po siya. So, I'm not sure kung magagamit nyo siya, pero ayan, just for your